Welcome back. It's time for Module 2, Browsing the Internet. As you can see, I've got that consistent formatting in my module overview, outlining my learning goals, outcomes, which are basically my objectives, but I format it in a way that is pertinent to the student. What are my learning goals as a student? What should be the outcome of my learning? What should I know how to do upon completion of this module? The resources, of course, and links that are relevant, and the evaluations. Let's go ahead and jump down to the learning activities. Now here you can see I've got each thing outlined that they need to do. I want to pay particular attention to this graphic. Part of this course is to recognize the components of the URL, and so in this module we're looking at searching the internet, browsing the internet, but I want students to be able to modify URLs in order to access different parts, or different pages, I should say. It's important that students understand how files are referred to on the internet. And many times you can click on an image, for instance, and pull up the image location of where that image is located within the folders of the site. And that's the way that you were able to download your PDFs and access your documents or images. And it's important for students to be able to know that. So I've got a little video tutorial that explains how this works, and that's located below here at the bottom of this page. Now the graphic, I've outlined each folder in a different color. So you'll see here we're in teaching articles, part of the website. And under the folder Galatians, I've got a PDF named Spirit, Soul, Body Graphic adapted by Bradley Jennings.pdf. And it seems like a very good graphic to be able to show students the different locations and folders within a website so that they can easily navigate and understand what they're doing when they're navigating, but to be able to modify URLs as well. And ultimately in this course they're going to be building a website from basic HTML. And let's not forget they are using their Google site, so this will help them to understand how to the hierarchy of ordering their pages, their files, and uploading their multimedia and so forth. Now, one of their assignments in relation to this is to create a page on their Google site named Chapter Links, and their textbook has resources for each chapter on the internet. Here's the basic URL, I guess, of the first chapter. And using the graphic above, I teach them in the video how they can alter this URL to find each chapter. So instead of having to go through and navigate through the system and find each chapter by clicking on the appropriate link on the site, they can actually just come in here and take the number 1 out, type in 2, and they'll be at chapter 2. Now this of course only works if the person who created the site did it with good organization and with their files and their indexes, but it shows them how to organize their website and how most websites are organized. And that's pretty much it for chapter 2. We discussed some features of browsers and so forth, but pretty simple module. Module 1 was pretty labor intensive, so wanted to bring it down just a little bit and let students settle in towards navigating and using these new internet tools. Didn't want to put too much on them at once. The next module we'll be discussing is module 3, which is searching the internet. And we're really going to get into the browsers and spiders and crawlers and the major search engines in that next video, such as Google and Yahoo and Bing. So I look forward to seeing you again. Thanks.